Are you wondering what's the best monitor for photo editing for this year? If so, stay tuned, because by the end of this short video, you'll know exactly which one. We're going to check out the 5 best photo editing monitors on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the product shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. At number 5 is the BenQ SW271 4K monitor. The BenQ SW271 is a high-performance 27-inch 4K 16:9 IPS monitor, aimed at photographers and videographers who desire better color accuracy than budget displays, but at a more affordable price than traditional pro monitors. Design-wise, the BenQ SW271 sports a matte black texture and bezel-free face, giving the screen an infinity edge feel. The OSD buttons are conveniently located on the right-hand side of the bottom bezel, which in turn makes the plastic strip thicker and includes a detachable shading hood that effectively reduces the monitor screen glare. Plus, the cool hotkey puck allows you to switch between Adobe RGB mode, sRGB mode, and black and white mode effortlessly. As for performance, the monitor's 27-inch IPS display ticks just about every box you could hope for 4K resolution, HDR, and great color support. BenQ claims it can handle 100% of the sRGB gamut and 99% for Adobe RGB too. At a brightness of up to 350 nits too, it should be bright enough for most users' tastes. Moreover, thanks to being an IPS panel, it enjoys a near 180-degree viewing angle horizontally and vertically, and it has a native contrast of 1000:1 for deep blacks and stark whites. It's not the biggest display out there, but 27 inches is a good sweet spot for pixel density and gives you enough room to appreciate the detail offered by the Ultra HD resolution and HDR support. In addition, the SW271 uses the latest USB Type-C port to transmit video and data with only one cable, so you can do the hardware calibration with ease. The USB Type-C port smoothly displays brilliant 4K contents and offers an up to 5 gigabit per second transfer rate. Plus, the built-in calibration tools will make sure that it looks the part the first time you turn it on. To conclude, if you're looking for a high-quality 4K monitor for photo editing, video editing, color grading, or any kind of critical photography work, the BenQ SW271 is an excellent choice. At number 4 is the ViewSonic VP3268 4K. The ViewSonic VP3268 4K aims to conquer a premium segment by offering functionality and performance while staying at a competitive price point. Design-wise, the ViewSonic VP3268 comes dressed for business with a minimalist design, which has a matte black texture and sleek lines. All 4 sides of the face are bezel-free, save for panel and plastic borders which have a total thickness of no more than 4 millimeters. You'll get to enjoy 32 inches of unobstructed viewing space while having a sleek but sophisticated-looking display. It can adjust height up to 5.1 inches, while you can also tilt, swivel, or pivot it to get a perfect view. Performance-wise, the ViewSonic monitor sports a 32-inch IPS screen with a 3840 by 2160 resolution, 60 Hz refresh rate, and 17 ms response time. The VP3268 is a professional-grade hardware calibratable monitor that is calibrated individually before shipment, and you can see it immediately. The sRGB color coverage is 100%. The color temperature makes a point landing with 6500 Kelvin. Ideal conditions to reproduce faithful images in natural colors, Ultra HD resolution reveals the smallest elements crisp. Thanks to the LPS panel, presentations are excellent, and the light distribution is homogeneous across the entire screen. Furthermore, the content displayed on the monitor will look the same even for viewers sitting side by side. HDR and the innovative split-screen technology complete the great equipment package of the 32-inch model. What about connectivity? Well, there's no shortage of display inputs, 2 HDMI 2.0 ports, a full-size display port, and also a mini display port. There's also a set of 3.5mm audio jacks and 4-port USB 3.0 hub too. Overall, ViewSonic presents a hardware calibratable 32-inch monitor for the professional sector. The VP3268 4K offers Ultra HD resolution, HDR, and is even intended to cover the sRGB color space to 100%. But its fair price makes this professional monitor also great for dedicated amateur photographers and comes highly recommended. At number 3 is the Asus PA329Q. The Asus PA329Q offers a 4K monitor that fits somewhere between being a superb professional visual design model and a regular work monitor. The monitor offers specs that are good for handling a number of digital work tasks and comes at a price that is not outrageous. Let's take a look. In terms of design, the cabinet of the Asus PA239Q has a matte black finish. The bezel around the screen is 10 mm. There is a gold strip along the bottom area to provide a premium look to the monitor. Overall, the monitor has a sophisticated look that will match the professional atmosphere that it was designed for. As for performance, the Asus PA329Q monitor has a 10-bit display panel and is further expanded by an internal 14-bit lookup table and a screen which delivers more than sRGB coverage and above 100% Adobe RGB coverage. In addition, the PA329Q offers up the ability to handle even larger Rec.2020 color gamut to a high degree, and even manages HDR mastering, which is impressive indeed in a 4K PC monitor of any kind. In addition, the PA329Q also develops DCI P3 color space support and comes with a factory calibration datasheet which is included in the box for calibrating its sRGB and Adobe RGB modes. On top of that, IPS display technology gives you wide viewing angles, so there's no color shift even from extreme positions. Moving on, the monitor features an array of connectivity options and supports 4K UHD content playback at 60 Hz via DisplayPort 1.2, Mini DisplayPort 1.2, and its 4 HDMI version 2.0 ports. In addition, you're offered 5 USB 3.0 ports and a 9-in-1 card reader for your memory cards, peripherals, and various devices. To conclude, for the price, professionals will not be disappointed when choosing the Asus PA329Q. This monitor offers the performance hardware that is necessary to justify the price. With Adobe RGB and sRGB included, this is a great choice of monitor for photo editing at any level. At number 2 is the ISO ColorEdge CG2730. The ISO ColorEdge CG2730 is a spacious 27-inch self-calibrating monitor designed for professionals requiring high levels of color accuracy. The ideal choice for photography, design, print, and post-production. Design-wise, the CG2730 has a sleek, user-friendly design. The slim cabinet features unobtrusive frames that are 46% slimmer than its predecessor, so you can focus more on the screen. It also features a useful built-in carrying handle, electrostatic switches, and 3 easy-to-access USB 3.0 ports, including one port for battery charging devices such as a smartphone. DisplayPort, HDMI, and DVI-D inputs are included. The monitor also comes with a versatile stand that offers height, tilt, and swivel adjustments, as well as portrait display, which we liked. Moreover, the ISO ColorEdge comes bundled with a newly designed shading hood, which attaches to the monitor magnetically. On to performance, the CG2730 monitor features a built-in calibrator, vivid colors reproduced to industry standards, and exceptionally high contrast for producing true blacks. In addition, the spacious 27-inch screen has a native resolution of 2560 by 1440, which gives creative ample space to work with images, tool palettes, and other windows. The wide color gamut reproduces 99% of the Adobe RGB space and ensures the reproduction of almost the entire ISO-coded and US web-coded CMYK color spaces used in printing. Furthermore, the ColorEdge CG2730 also reproduces 98% of the DCI P3 color space used in post-production. In compliance with the DCI standard, the ColorEdge CG2730 offers a high contrast ratio of 1500:1 for producing true blacks. Additionally, the monitor is equipped with an IPS non-glare panel for high visibility and also uses dimming technology to minimize flicker and help prevent eye fatigue. Overall, with a 100% RGB coverage, the ISO CG730 already stands out in an oversaturated market. It's the little details, though, that make it a 5-star monitor. The completely black bezel, the self-calibrating sensor, its splendid port options, is why it's one we would recommend. At number 1 is the BenQ PD3200U. The BenQ PD3200U is a fantastic 4K monitor aimed at professionals. and photographers will find plenty to like here. Design-wise, the BenQ PD3200U looks simple yet elegant. It's clear this is a monitor made with work and productivity in mind. At 32 inches, this is a large monitor, but thanks to the thin bezels that surround it, the thin neck is set quite far back into the base, which means the screen itself is also pushed back, giving you more space if you have a cramped desk. Moreover, the monitor is fully adjustable, allowing you to tilt and swivel the screen as well as adjust the height. The screen can also be rotated 90 degrees into portrait mode, which again gives you more flexibility. In addition, on the right-hand side of the monitor are two HDMI 2.0 ports, a DisplayPort 1.2, mini DisplayPort, SD card slot, two USB 3.0 ports, and a 3.5mm audio port. As far as features go, the BenQ PD3200U's main selling point is its 4K UHD resolution, 3840 by 2160, which provides excellent image quality. Plus, the BenQ PD3200U is part of BenQ's designer monitor range, which means it has been individually factory calibrated before being shipped, which is really cool. The panel type is IPS with a native contrast of 1000 to 1. This ensures viewing angles are very good, which is essential for a screen of this size, as when sitting in front of it at a desk, it really does take up almost all of your peripheral vision. BenQ is pitching this as a monitor for professionals, so color accuracy at any angle is important, and the 100% sRGB color gamut adheres to industry standards. It also boasts Rec.709, which is a standard for video production. Additionally, the BenQ PD3200U also includes low blue light and flicker-free technology, which makes using the monitor at night more comfortable. To conclude, if you're looking for an excellent high-resolution monitor with accurate color reproduction for your photo editing needs, which can also do a good job of displaying films and games in your downtime, the BenQ PD3200U is a great choice and makes the top of our list. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you found it useful. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this in the future. If you do have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and we'll get back to you. Catch you soon.